carrots. Some of them are starting to stick out. I will take them out. Hold firmly onto it. And then put it in the bowl. This is a very short one. It has not formed very well. I think that's about the only two. This is also sticking out. It's better for me to remove it because the top is already getting exposed to sunshine. So it's either I cover it with soil or I remove it. And I'm trying to thin the pot anyway. Those are the only ones that are sticking out in this pot. Let's look at this. All of these are far in, completely buried. So if a carrot is sticking out of the soil, I think it's going to be a good candidate for you to remove. That's a weed. But then I want to take out two more just to eat. Maybe this. Yeah, it looks. Whoa, there's two of them, but they're very small. I think I'll stop thinning them. They are not actually big enough. But these two that was sticking out, yeah, these are all right. So it's good to grow carrots. When you want to grow carrots, make sure you use very deep containers.